Good morning. My name is Matthew, and I'm with the Global Marketing team at FocalScope. In this short video, we will discuss a basic overview of FocalScope's Document Center. Document Center makes sharing information with your team and with customers efficient, convenient, and secure. Document Center comes as a standard feature on FocalScope and is designed to facilitate FocalScope users to share commonly required information with one another and with non-FocalScope users and customers. In the standard installation, Document Center appears as an object in our left side window pane. For example, let's take a closer look at my workspace, and we'll see a standard Document Center and several Document Centers that we have created and placed in market-specific and role-specific folders. Using Document Center as a snap, thanks to our thin client, we can use drag and drop technology to add and remove files from the Document Center. In this example, we'll take an updated English language application form from our desktop and add it to our Danish Sales Support Document Center. Please note that you can also choose to add a description to the file for easy referencing for your team members or customers when they select and download the file. Any help desk agent supporting Denmark and with the correct permissions now has instant access to this application form. Of course, we're help desk agents and we need to assist customers who are not using FocalScope. So how can we effectively share information in the Document Center with our customers? FocalScope makes answering that question a cinch. Email is the first choice, especially for smaller files. A customer named John Smith is requesting our internet services, but he'll also need to complete our application form. Remember earlier in the video, we added our application form in English to our Document Center. So let's go ahead, select New Email, and now we're in the email screen. Let's pull up his email address and write a suitable subject line. Then type a brief message and pull down the drop-down selections under the Attachment button in the toolbar. Here we can choose to add a file from our local hard drive or our Document Center. Since our Document Center is our repository for the most up-to-date information, we'll select a specific Document Center and file, and presto, it's added to our email as an attachment. We're ready to press send. Off it goes and we're done. For the sake of example, let's visit John Smith's email account to see how our email that we sent earlier looks to him. Sure enough, it has arrived in his inbox. Upon opening our email, we can see that my email address is clearly identified, the subject line and ticket number are listed, and the application form is attached. So now, John has all the information that he requires. But what if this file is too large to be attached to an email? FocalScope has thought of that too. First, we go to the Document Center we wish to use and create permissions for users not on FocalScope to access this Document Center, as long as they have the correct URL, username, and password. We right-click on the Document Center, choose Properties, and then select the Share tab. We will then create a username and password for our customer to access the file. We generate the correct URL, copy it, and then paste it into an email to the customer. All the customer has to do is click the link, and he or she will be taken to the correct login page, enter his or her credentials, and then select the file to download. Whenever we're sharing information, we also need to be mindful of security requirements. FocalScope allows a Document Center's administrator to set security parameters for each individual Document Center. It's made to be both easy and secure, so that your customers love it as much as you do. For more information on configuring a Document Center's security settings, please review our help documentation for more information. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions regarding Document Center, please contact your FocalScope representative or contact us directly at www.focalscope.com. We are always working on new and innovative ways to improve FocalScope's functionality and experience for our users. We welcome your suggestions. Thank you for your time and interest in FocalScope.